Rough Crafts Asphalt Glider. Introducing the Rough Crafts Asphalt Glider, a true masterpiece in custom motorcycle design. Known for their exceptional builds, Rough Crafts has earned acclaim, including the Hot Bike magazine's 2014 Builder of the Year award. Rough Crafts is renowned for blending custom bike ideas with street art and graphic design. This Harley-Davidson, transformed by their skilled hands, reflects their unique approach. Project began with a client's request for a bike similar to Rough Crafts' World Championship-winning Stealth Bullet, but with even more extreme features. The team responded by installing a fork from Italian company FG Racing, custom handlebars, and distinctive wheels, 15 inches at the back and 23 inches at the front. One standout feature is the hydraulic system that allows the bike to crouch, adding to its unique look. The branded fuel tank completes the design. The client's request for a low riding position with legs forward and folded above the front of the bike led to a new nickname for the motorcycle, Midnight Shrimp. This unusual body position has captured the imagination of many, resulting in several playful monikers. Akira Motorbike. Introducing the Akira Motorbike, a futuristic marvel that combines cutting-edge technology with bold, cyberpunk-inspired design. Drawing from the iconic anime, this electric bike is not just a machine, it's a work of art. The Akira Motorbike stands out with its aggressive styling. Sharp angles and LED accents give it a striking appearance, embodying the spirit of a new era in motorcycling. But it's not just about looks. Under the sleek exterior, the Akira is powered by a high-performance electric motor. This motor delivers impressive speed and acceleration, making every ride an exhilarating experience. The bike also features advanced digital displays and smart connectivity. Riders can easily monitor performance and navigate with ease, thanks to these cutting-edge technologies. Though the Akira is still in the concept or limited production stage, it's anticipated to command a premium price. This reflects its unique design and high-tech capabilities. Akrapovic Full Moon Concept. Welcome to a closer look at the Akrapovic Full Moon Concept, a remarkable creation by Akrapovic and Dream Machine Motorcycles. This bike stands out as a true work of art in motorcycle design. The Full Moon Concept is not just a motorcycle, it's a vision of the future. Its design is so unique that it's hard to classify. This futuristic bike showcases how motorcycle engineering might evolve in the years ahead. At the heart of the Full Moon is a robust 1,524 cc and S knucklehead engine. This engine is paired with two specially modified exhausts by Akrapovic. These custom exhausts not only boost the bike's performance but also give it a distinctive sound that turns heads. The name, Full Moon, is inspired by the bike's rear wheel cover. Made from carbon and aluminum, it resembles a full moon when viewed against the night sky. This detail adds a touch of elegance and mystique to the bike's overall appearance. Another standout feature is the hydraulic suspension system. When the bike is parked, this system allows it to stand upright, enhancing its futuristic look. Additionally, the automatic steering system ensures that all cables are neatly hidden, contributing to the bike's sleek, clean design.
BMW Motorrad Vision Next 100. Imagine a motorcycle that's not just a vehicle but a vision of the future. The BMW Motorrad Vision Next 100 blends the thrill of riding with advanced smart technology. This concept motorcycle adapts to you, your surroundings, and your preferences, offering a new level of freedom on two wheels. The Vision Next 100 features a black triangle frame adorned with the classic blue and white BMW logo. It has no joints or cables, emphasizing smoothness and elegance. The motorcycle steers through bending, eliminating the need for traditional joints. It balances itself, so there's no need for a kickstand. Instead of a helmet, you wear smart glasses that connect you to the bike and the road. These glasses provide information like speed, direction, and hazards while allowing you to control bike settings such as sound and mode.
Gangina. The idea of placing a car engine on a motorcycle frame isn't new, but the Russian Gangina takes this concept to an extraordinary level. This unique beast of a motorcycle is powered by a Lexus V8 engine. Just its appearance alone is enough to excite any motorcycle enthusiast. The Gangina isn't just about raw power. It features a custom-built tank, a two-chain torque system, and a bespoke frame and suspension. Every component of this machine is custom-made, showcasing remarkable innovation. Despite its street legality, driving the Gangina on public roads might require a bold spirit. Its imposing design and powerful engine make it a true standout. Harley-Davidson V-Rod Muscle. Their latest model, the Demon, certainly lives up to its name. At the rear, it sports a massive 360mm VBT tire. Front, you'll find a 200mm Metzeler tire. These impressive wheels give the Demon a commanding presence on the road, but that's not all. The Demon features an advanced and Heinz Competition Series exhaust, which comes with a sleek ceramic coating. This not only enhances performance but also adds to the bike's overall aesthetic. Custom mirrors are another highlight, contributing to the bike's unique look. And let's not forget the seat. Crafted from leather and suede, it's tailored to perfection for both comfort and style. To top it all off, the Demon is finished in a striking denim black paint. This gives it a sleek, menacing appearance that's sure to turn heads. That's our look at the Harley-Davidson VOD Muscle, now dubbed the Demon. This bike is a true masterpiece of design and engineering.
Kawasaki J Concept. Introducing the Kawasaki J Concept, a revolutionary electric three-wheel vehicle that combines cutting-edge design with advanced technology. This futuristic ride promises an exciting and eco-friendly experience. First off, its design is both sleek and aggressive. The bold styling is not just for show, it hints at the impressive performance that lies beneath. Powered entirely by electricity, the J Concept offers a silent, emission-free ride. This makes it perfect for both city commuting and relaxing weekend trips. You'll glide through urban environments without contributing to pollution. The J Concept features a unique tilting mechanism for its front wheels. This innovative design enhances stability and agility, giving you greater control and confidence on the road. It's engineered to handle twists and turns with ease. Inside, the J Concept is all about smart connectivity and ergonomic design. It's equipped with features that make riding both intuitive and enjoyable. Everything you need is within easy reach, enhancing your overall experience. Kawasaki is renowned for pushing the boundaries of motorcycle design. With the J Concept, they're taking it a step further, presenting a bold vision for the future of electric mobility. This vehicle seamlessly blends high performance with sustainability. In summary, the Kawasaki J Concept isn't just a vehicle, it's a glimpse into the future of transportation. With its striking design, advanced technology, and commitment to a greener planet, it sets a new standard for electric mobility.
Mika Hakkinen X Signature Edition. Get ready to fuel your excitement as racing legend Mika Hakkinen teams up with Verge Motorcycles for the exclusive Signature Edition. This groundbreaking collaboration merges Formula One expertise with cutting-edge electric motorcycle technology to create something truly exceptional. While the specifics of the Mika Hakkinen X Verge Motorcycles Signature Edition are still under wraps, we're here to build the anticipation. Join us as we dive into what makes this partnership so thrilling. We'll explore the unique features, innovative design elements, and the high-octane spirit that this collaboration is set to deliver. This Signature Edition is set to push the boundaries of performance and style in the world of motorcycles. Neutron Bike. Introducing the Neutron Bike by Parker Brothers, a cutting-edge vehicle that takes electric motorcycles to the next level. This bike boasts an impressive top speed of 100 miles per hour, all without using gas or a traditional combustion engine. Instead, it runs solely on an electric motor system powered by a lithium-ion battery pack. With a full charge, the Neutron Bike can travel up to 80 miles. It's important to note that the Neutron Bike is designed for one rider only. There's no room for a passenger. The Neutron Bike represents the latest advancement in Parker Brothers' pursuit of futuristic motorcycles. It follows their earlier model, the Light Cycle, which used a Suzuki Twin V engine. That gas-powered version had a retail price of at least $55,000. Yamaha Motoroid 2. Next up is the Yamaha Motoroid 2, a game-changer in the motorcycle world. This futuristic bike combines sophisticated robotics with intelligent technology, allowing it to respond to the rider's voice and gestures. The Motoroid 2 creates a unique interaction between rider and machine, much like supportive friends who communicate and assist each other. Yamaha's goal with the Motoroid 2 is to explore the potential for a deeper connection between motorcycles and their riders. Priced at an anticipated $4,100, the Motoroid 2 stands out as a premium option in the motorcycle market. Its avant-garde features and imaginative design make it a top choice for those interested in the cutting edge of motorcycle technology.
Fireblade. Introducing the Fireblade, Honda's premier sports motorcycle designed specifically for track riding. Launched in 2004, the Fireblade has evolved significantly over the past 15 years with various upgrades and refinements. The latest model, the Honda CBR 1000RR Fireblade, features a powerful 4-cylinder, liquid-cooled 999cc engine. To reduce weight, Honda engineers used recycled titanium in the exhaust system. The result? A stunning 192 horsepower output. Fireblade also comes with an advanced traction control system. This system not only boosts peak power but also allows you to adjust braking intensity from the dashboard. It monitors the front wheel's angle to prevent tipping, ensuring safer handling. As Honda's most powerful mass-produced motorcycle, the Fireblade is also touted as the safest in its series. It has garnered numerous awards, including several titles as the world's best motorcycle. This bike has also played a key role in helping riders achieve numerous competition victories. Kawasaki Ninja ZX14R. Meet the Kawasaki Ninja ZX14R, also known as the ZZR 1400 or ZX14. This motorcycle, part of Kawasaki's Ninja Sport Bike series, reigned as the brand's most powerful sport bike starting in 2006. Unveiled at the 2005 Tokyo Motor Show, the ZX14R was released for the 2006 model year. It replaced the Kawasaki ZZR 1200. The ZZR 1400 is a performance beast. It can go from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 2.5 seconds. Its top speed is electronically limited to 186 miles per hour, or 299 kilometers per hour. This limit is due to an agreement among major Japanese and European motorcycle manufacturers. Nera 3D Electric. Electric bikes might be the next big thing in motorcycles, but Nera is taking innovation to the next level with the Nera 3D Electric, the world's first 3D printed electric motorcycle. The Nera 3D Electric isn't just a modified traditional bike. It was designed from scratch, using cutting-edge 3D printing technology. This approach breaks free from the constraints of traditional manufacturing and engineering. The bike boasts a sleek, brutalist design. Its futuristic look wouldn't seem out of place in a Blade Runner movie. This cyberpunk-inspired motorcycle comes from Big Rep, a company known for its industrial-grade 3D printers. What's remarkable about the Nera 3D Electric? Every single component, apart from the internal electronics, is 3D printed, including its unique airless tires. Yamaha Niken. Meet the Yamaha Niken, cutting-edge tricycle that blends futuristic design with advanced technology. This remarkable machine showcases Yamaha's innovation and engineering prowess. The Niken features a unique sloping system with 2 front wheels, paired with an advanced suspension setup. This design allows the Niken to handle turns with exceptional precision, making it a standout on the road. Under the hood, the Niken is powered by a tri-cylinder engine that delivers 115 horsepower. Thanks to its lightweight crankshaft and customized fuel injection settings, the Niken excels in acceleration and performance. The tricycle's hybrid frame combines steel and aluminum, contributing to its robust yet lightweight build. For superior control, the Niken is equipped with dual front brake systems and 298mm discs. The telescopic suspension and parallel levers enhance steering accuracy and ensure a smooth, safe ride.